So I'm going to show you some of the pellets and pellet guns I have today. Here we got the Meister Klugen, Super Mags, all RSW, Super Domes, Super Points. Behind that we got the Gammo Match Diablos, the RSW Hyper Velocity Lead Free Pellets, the Raptor Gammos, gold plated, the Crossman lead pointed pellets, the Gammo Magnum, fucking Master Point, Gammo also, Hunter, Gammo, and then this here's a Ruger, shooting at 495 feet per second. I haven't chronographed it or anything. Slightly adjustable scope. It's pretty good. Shoots nice. Just bought it today. I need to adjust the scope a bit. Runs a little bit to the left. Here we got Retinine 2FS, made by Unirex. I don't know how to fucking say shit. Smith & Wesson 4-inch barrel and Smith & Wesson 6-inch barrel, all CO2 powered, all really fucking powerful. Alright, I think that's about it for today. Have a good day, folks.